about to make some cinnamon rolls in the waffle maker. If y'all have ever, y'all had ever made these? I saw it on TikTok, and then someone on Instagram did it. And they're gonna look delicious. Just wait. My mom hasn't tried them. Yesterday I told y'all that we needed to get the igniter replaced in our hot water heater. I'm wearing a sports bra, so nasties. Where do you think I'm not? And the plumber came out and they didn't replace the igniter. They replaced the whole freaking whatever that's called, hot water heater. And so we have a new hot water heater. You probably saw it in the vlog before this, which was I was not expecting that they were going to do. But our other one was 10 years old, 10 plus years old. So I guess it was time for a new one. But now we have a new hot water heater. And apparently the water is scorching hot. So my husband like messed with it last night in hopes that, but he did fix it, I guess. But it warms up super fast, like super fast. So that's good. I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'm planning to film today. Mom is going to hang out with her friend in a little while. What happened there? Ooh. Come here, lover. I'm gonna clean your face. Yeah, so I just finished filming. I'm gonna go to carpool in my outfit. All dressed up, makeup, lashes and all. Yeah, I got a video filmed for my Walmart finds, my collective Walmart finds recently. And I'm gonna hopefully edit it and upload it by tomorrow, Friday. Because I like to get my videos up on a Monday or a Friday, typically. Oh, what is this?
We did it yesterday.
Oh, and there's magnets on there?
Yeah.
You did this in art?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so cute. Thank
It wasn't
you.
in art. It was in my classroom.
Thank you. I'm gonna put it on the fridge.
Whoa, bro. Oh, man, I'm afraid. There's so freaking creepy notes.
Hello. So I picked up the kids. Angela fell asleep, as y'all saw in the little clip. And my mom came home from seeing her friends, and she's taking a nap. And so Aiden is playing very loudly in the room Fortnite. So I came in here just to tell y'all what's going down. I'm about to make a TikTok dinner that my husband sent me. He was watching TikTok and I was like, oh, that looks easy. It's just a bunch of sauces put together with Italian sausage. A bunch of sauce. Anyways, it looked easy enough. And so I was like, I can do it, other than I don't have the Italian sausage. I'm just gonna use ground beef in hopes that it works the same. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, this is the TikTok that my husband sent me. So it's the white sauce with the red sauce mixed in with cheese and Italian sausage, but I'm gonna use ground beef with penne pasta baked with cheese on top. So I don't have penne pasta. I've got this.
This year, I really did like a nice little variety for every single teacher. So those are coming together really nicely.
Oops. Okay, I just put on the oven for 350 to preheat. It says it needs to be in the oven for 22 minutes. It says 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and then a whole jar of the Alfredo and a whole jar of basil garlic. Alfredo sauce in there. The 2 cups of cheese. what it's looking like so far. There's my little TikTok meal. And it was a success, right, Aiden? You liked it? Mmm, delicious. You could have wore like a white t-shirt or something to make it more like appeasing for everybody.